Ito ay hatid sa inyo ng K&K Hub. Sa K&K, okay na okay.
Okay na, okay na.
Ay, may binabati ko yung mga
Top 5, top 5.
Nakakita ko mga nakangiti dun sa may bantang dulo doon, sa madilim.
Okay na, okay na. Okay na.
Ang game na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Peninsula Plaza. Sa Peninsula Plaza,
Start na, start na.
okay.
Yun yung commercial sponsor.
And we are back sa ating
Anim. Ay, game 6 pero sa
game of the night to JR's team. With Brian's team remains to be undefeated. And the white team with 1 win and 1 loss. The score is 3-0. Marty. Medyo lumamig si Marty ng konti ng buko. JV, Pabalan. JV. Pull-up jumper. Binigay kay Marty. Binigay kay JR. Good ball rotation. Another 3 miss. Ryan on the rebound. And Ryan continues to dominate the paint. Mga kaibigan. That big man from Jalancayu continues to dominate the league, while Mix from Bishan continues to miss that hook shot.
Pastusan.
JV Pabalan, he will not wear jersey number 24 for nothing. Binigay kay Brian. Oh, magandang matchup to. 24 versus 24. Who is the real Mamba? Gab or JV? We'll find out. Pinarakan si Gab, harap-harapan ng this. And the ball goes back to the white shirts. JR. Bigay kay Gab. Stutter step. All the way off the glass, too strong. JV gets the rebound. JV, around the leg. JV, 2-on-1 situation. Bigay kay Arvin, and that JV-Arvin connection still continues to grow. Tapped by JV. JR. Gab for 3. Short. And Brian gets the rebound. JR crossover. Marty pull-up jumper. Miss. Agawan sa rebound. And who gets the rebound? Who else but the scavenger? Alvin Coray. Alvin Coray does the dirty work. Off the glass, too strong. Gab gets the rebound. Tapped by JV Pabalan. And the ball stays with the white shirts. Mapapansin niyo po, wala pong nakangiti sa game. Again, I will repeat, this is not a friendly game, mga kaibigan. We are here to battle. Mix, Tabihe gets the rebound. Pinagay kay Arvin. Arvin fakes the pass. Pinagay kay Ruel. Hook shot. Miss. Buwan na Arvin. JV nagmamadali. Challenging the defense. Oh, what a tap. Foul ang tinawag.
Who's foul? Taas kamay.
Foul, Ruel. 6 foul.
Second team.
JV, corner 3.
Tinawag na agad yung play. Wala play.
At ba't hindi ko alam niyo eh.
Brian, top of the key. Arvin, bigay kay Marty. JR, top of the key. Top pass. Nakuha ni Mix Tabihe. JR directing traffic, challenging the defense. Oh, stutter step and a pull-up jumper. No good. And then JR. Here comes the black shirt. Ay, sila pa siyang black. And the lowest ng black. JR. Hesitation move. And off the glass shot. 2 points. Para sa dark shirts. L, 9-0 run. Hindi mo pa nakakasagot ang white shirts after 5 minutes of game. And here comes JR for 3 low. Brian, tapikan. Nakuha ni Brian ang bola. Binigay kay JR. Sabi ni JR, sige, let's go. And JR, binigay kay Brian. Brian, foul the key. Left-handed layup. Foul. Ang tinawag kay Knicks. And that is Knicks' second foul of the ball game. First foul na. Papalit talaga ng announcement yun. JR. JB. Crossover. Challenging the defense. Drawing the defense. JR short. Tapik ni Arvin Aboke. Ha? Yung may tapik. Tapik ni Knicks. Tapik ni Knicks.
Aboke din.
Knicks Tabaj. JR. Thinking to shoot. Pull up jumper. Baseline. No. Roel. One rebound. Natapik. Nakuha ni Gab. Oh! 24 versus 24. Sina-challenge ni Gab. Oh! What a shot! And a blow by! Sabi ni Gab. Now, let's see what you're made of. And Arvin continues to do the dirty work sa white shirts. Arvin, the scavenger cry, gets the loose ball. And Arvin naman, Arvin, sumakit ang likod. This is brought to you by Katempo. Hindi ko mapapagalit ang lahat ng ito kung wala ang tulong ng Green Cross Minimum. Foul. White shirt. Brian, towering high. Challenging Roel. Roel, the muscle man. JR, touch pass. Naagaw ni Knicks. JR, again, foot race. Naagaw ni Roel. Roel continues to play. Hindi lang gagawin. Sinigay kay Gab. Gab off the glass and 2 points. And here comes the white shirts with back-to-back shots. And a steal from the 14-year veteran, JR. And here comes JR.
Let's vote in! Let's vote in!
Meron pong play ang ating white shirts. Mark E. Binigay kay JR. JR. Hesitation. Knicks challenging the shot, but gets the basket. $11-4 ang talaan ng ating score ngayong game na ito. Gab, binigay kay Mix. Mix, floater off the glass, no good. Mix gets his own miss. Binigay kay JR. JR, quick step. And, tapikan, Rebel, the muscle man, gets the rebound. Mix, his own version of 3, no good. Nakuha ni the logo, binigay kay JR. They're all alone. Alvin recovers the defense. Crossover move. Stutter step. Hesitation. Lahat na ginawan JR para ipasa kay DK. DK! Oh! What a defense by Mix. That's his own version of a block. And JR, sinalis ni Alvin Aboke. JB, nagmamadali. Binabasa ang depensa. Sinalis si Gab. Sabi niya, ako ang tunay na 24. Sabi ni Gab, let me see. Sabi naman ni Marquis, I'm here. Pero, Vinces, nakuha ni Marquis naman yung rebound. Oy, tumalon! Binasa ni Alvin. But jump pass by Mark. Alvin pala. Nakuha ni Gab. Ball is out of bounds. Mga kaibigan. What a crazy play sa ating laro. Alvin, binigay ni Brian. Floater, easy 2 points sa ating big fella.
Makikita mo dyan kung sino yung assist, ano, at saka, na-announce lang natin.
And Gab hits the silencer. Pinatahimik nila ang dark shirts. Pumatay sino. Marky, sinisipat si Brian. JR, sinisipat si Marky. Marky, all alone for 3. Binigay kay Brian. Brian in the middle. Binigay kay JB. JB, thinking to shoot. 20 for 3, short. Roel, natakipan ni Arvin. Alvin with his active hands. And here comes the white shirt. JR directing traffic. Left open for 3 and hits the 3. Bex comebacks. 3 points. 10 minutes remaining in the ball game. 13-9 ang ating Ryan. Pull-up jumper. Tapigan ng Wanigab. Here comes Gab. 3 versus 2. Bounce pass. Oh, didn't go. Now Wanigab pa rin. Gab. Sorry, step. Joel. Challenge si Mark. Niyakap po ni Mark. Just a bare hug. And here you go. Alvin for 3. Too strong. Alvin gets his 7th rebound of the month. JV, tumulak sa gitna. Floater, short. Change court. Ang change court na ito ay hindi sa inyo. Ay, foul. Di pala. Foul si JR. Bigay kay Brian. Brian seals the defense and gets the bump and the basket. Change court na po. What a powerful play by Brian. This is a big man's game after all. JR, corner 3, takes the shot, but takes it after all. Oh! Yes, sir! What an expected 3. Akala na ipapasa na. But JR hits the 3-point. It's a crucial 3 because the lead is now down to 3. And here comes the black shirts. Mark E, his own version of 3. Oh! And Mark E continues to knock down shots from way off the arc. Mark E is the best third option sa hoodie ng ating mini-tour namin. Arguably the best third option in scoring sa team nila. While JR continues to design the play and Marky left wide open once again. Another 3. Oh! Back-to-back shots by Marky! Marky is feeling it. Ladies and gentlemen, Marky is in the zone. And here comes JR trying to be the fireman at pamatay sunog. Alvin Curry. Binigay kay Nick Stavage. Nick Stavage taking the shoot. Binigay kay Alvin. Alvin takes the shot for 3. Too strong. Rebound na on the side. Katapit ni Marcel Mangroel and gets the putback.
Ayos. Marcel this way.
Nagpapakita lang po ng Marcel si Roel, mga kaibigan. And JR being the 17th-year veteran. Binigay kay Brian. Brian! Foul ang tinawag.
Third personal foul.
It's a battle down the paint between Brian and Nick Stavage. JV for 3. In and out. Migs gets the rebound. Binigay kay JR. JR looking ahead. Directing traffic. Pull-up jumper. Oh! And here comes JR.
The veteran.
This is 3-point field goal of the game.
The leading scorer.
And leads his team in points sa game na ito. That's 9 points by the 14-year veteran. And Marky bumaybay ng baseline na ipit. Binigay kay JR, taking things slow. JV star step, takes a 3, no good. Roel gets the rebound. And here comes JR. Gab, sabi ni Gab. Wait lang. And JR another 3. Oh no! JR is on fire! Yes, sir!
The fourth 3-point of the game.
Fourth 3-pointer of the
It's an
game.
NBC record.
It's an MVC record. Mga kaibigan, for the night, 4 3-points made by the 14-year veteran. And here comes JR. JR And Gab, all alone. Is this a breakaway? Humabol si Arvin, but it's all too late now, kaibigan. Nice effort by Arvin Aboke. And the white shirts is now up.
Ano, hindi pa, no? Down pa rin sila, no?
And the white shirt is still down by 3. Arvin, JB, pull-up jumper, short, mix. Yes, a rebound. Oh, that's too excited. And the pass is too strong. And we have a ball game. 3-point lead, 5 minutes remaining. In game 6.
Thanks to the 17-year veteran.
Mark E. Partially open. Binigay kay JB. JB wide open. But here comes Gab to recover the defense. Brian in the baseline. Binigay kay JB, top of the key. Didn't hesitate to shoot. Short. Now one in JR. JR continues to contribute on the rebounding. And another wide open 3. Short this time. But Mix is there to clean up the miss. Another steal. And Mix is here. Binigay kay Gab. Binigay kay Mix. Mix ang bola. Tumama sa board pero wala. Arvin nakuha ang rebound and secures the ball. And JR floater off the glass. Good. 26-23 ang score. Lamang po ng tatlo ang white shirts. With 4 minutes remaining in the ball game. This is far from over now, kaibigan. 4 minutes. And Gab surveys the defense, left wide open in the free throw line. Agawan sa bola na one JD. JD nagmamadali, challenging the defense of JR. Marky fakes a 3, binigay kay Brian. Oh, a spin move and a semi-hook and gets the basket. The lead is down to 2. No, the lead is down to 1. 25-26. The white shirt is up by 1. And we have 3.22 minutes sa ating ball game. Gab, may tanga ng bola. Binigay kay Alvin wide open. Tinira short. Kabigay na bola kay Alvin ang rebound off the glass. Too strong. JR gets the rebound. Gab, second step. Takes the shot. Awan ni Brian, go ahead, basket. Nakuha ni Gab. What a nice recovery by number 24, Gab, of the white shirts. And here comes the white shirts, looking at the clock. And Mark with his defensive stance. Oh my goodness. What nice defense. Nice defense by Mark. Gab is here. Nice pass, but nice recovery by Arvin Aboke. Palakpak si Owen dun. Sayang. And here comes JB. JB binigay kay Mark E off the glass. Yes, sir! Mark E continues to score. Mark E with his 8 points in the ball game. Arguably the best third option of NBC. JR, started check. Below team. Binigay Gab, left wide open. Ay! Foul ang tinawag kay JR. And we are down to the final 2 minutes of the game. 1-point lead, and it's a crucial game, intense game. Big. Pagbilig po dyan. Sabi natin, ang bola. Marky tayo na score. Binigay kay JR versus JR. Let's see. JR for 3. Nice stop by the muscle man, Roel. Gab for the jumper, too short. And here comes JB. Sabi ni JB, let's take things slow. While he surveys the defense, pick, binigay ni Alvin, binigay kay Mark E all alone to shoot, too strong. Nakuha ni Roel, binigay kay Gab. Gab versus JB, who is the real number 24. Challenges the defense. Nakatapit ang bola, nakabalik kay Gab, binigay kay JR, quick step, and a pass to Roel. Roel, 2 points! Yes, sir! What a great play. 51 seconds remaining.
Sila mang.
And
Sila.
sila yun, 28-27. 28-27, 1 point lead. Jer, ang mamadali. Fernando Rick ang bola. And
Isa lang, lamang kami.
lamang sila.
Okay, lamang sila.
Lamang sila.
White shirt.
White Shirts is leading by 1, 28-27. 35 seconds remaining in the ballgame. Kapit Bayan. This is gonna be a doozy. Pinigay kay Marky.
Will this be the-
And nasa kay Brian. Baseline. Double team. Marky sa malaksak sa gitna. Kick out kay JB. JB for 3. No! Rebound. Ay!
Blue shirt.
And the last touch belongs to Mix. 18 seconds remaining in the ball game. White Shirt is up by 1, 27-28. JB, this is clutch time. Sabi ni JB. JB pinigay kay JR. JR taking a shot. Pinigay. Ayaw niga mga kaibigan. And it's all over. What a game. Mga
Our
kaibigan.
best player of the game.
The best player of the game is our 14-year veteran, Prince Sencam, J.R. Torres. And J.R. Torres just shows everybody who's the real Mamba around here. Picture dito. Okay. And J.R. Torres.